Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the indexes have failed to break away from the 200-day moving average. And it's hard to believe this, but as I was writing this article and get ready to do this video, 2 of the 3 indexes are in positive territory for the week. And it seems kind of impossible with the volatility we've had in the wild swings, but nonetheless it's true. And as you can see, we're going to start with the S&P 500 here, currently trading up about 0.4% on the day. And as you can see, back early in the week, had a 59-point move over 2%. Thought maybe we're breaking away from the 200-day moving average to resume sort of an uptrend. But back trading right here against the 200-day moving average again today with the chart analysis score -55. And we'll change this to a weekly chart as we like to do on Friday. And as you can see, after 3 down weeks, we're currently posting a gain of 0.4% on the week, trading at 2,779.59. Next week, I'm going to get into, we'll see where the market opens up and see if we're looking at a possible double bottom that we saw back in April, May time frame before the trend resumes. So tune in next week where we'll take a look at a daily chart more in depth to see if in fact we are forming a possible double bottom depending on the opening of trading next week. Key level to watch for the S&P 500, I'll give you 2. First one will be 2,939.86. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the S&P 500. And our second level to watch will be 2,698.95. A move below that level would issue that red monthly trade triangle, indicating a long-term downtrend for the S&P 500. We'll move along. We'll take a look at the Dow Jones. Currently up about 0.6% on the week, trading at 25,503.07. With a chart analysis score -70, indicating that we are in a sidelines mode for the Dow Jones. And our 2 levels to watch for the Dow will be 26,951.81. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Dow. And the second level will be 24,077.56. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a move down to a short position in the long-term downtrend for the Dow. And we'll take a look at a daily chart for the Dow real quick. As you can see, still trading right above that 200-day moving average as well. And we'll move to the NASDAQ, currently trading below the 200-day moving average after making a big strong move at the end of last week down, fighting above only to maintain right around that level. Currently chart analysis scores -100 with a new red monthly trade triangle that was issued last week. And our key level to watch remains 8,107.38. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. We'll take a look at a weekly chart here. Currently right now, down about a little over 0.1% on the week. The only one of the 3 indexes in negative territory for the week right now as we stand. Moving along to the US dollar, currently trading at 95.41 with a chart analysis score +90, indicating that the long-term trend is still up for the US dollar. Currently gaining about 0.5% on the week. Key level to watch has changed a little bit, is 94.47. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Crude oil, we've changed to the December contract as its rollover time for crude oil contracts. However, crude oil remains under some tremendous pressure after selling off almost 4% last week. It's currently down almost 2.5% this week with a chart analysis score of -70, indicating that we are in a short-term short position for crude oil and sidelines overall for the long term. Currently trading at 69.46. And if we change this to a daily chart, you can see we got a red weekly trade triangle on 10/17 at 70.47, indicating to enter into that short-term downtrend for crude oil as it broke below its 50-day moving average and trading in that $60 range. Key level to watch will be 72.43. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. Moving along to gold, currently trading at $1,229. Relatively unchanged today, but up on the week as we change to a weekly chart here with a chart analysis score of plus 60. And as you can see right now, up about 0.5% on the week. Key level to watch for gold will be 1,221.70. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position for gold. And we'll back out here. We'll wrap it up with Bitcoin, who continues to be a disappointment, really, as it's just kind of moving in a flat sidelines mode, trapped in a tight trading range with a chart analysis score -90, indicating that we're in a long-term downtrend for Bitcoin. Currently trading at 6,388.80. Does have a gain of about 3% on the week, but that comes on the heels of 3 straight weekly losses, so really not much news there. Key level to watch would be 6,637.89. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back to update the markets next week.